Welcome back to another Scalper video. In this video, we're going to be going over the best trade that I ever lost. So, this was Friday, 18th of October, and this is how I usually start my daily preps. Value area high, value area low, and then I go into, obviously this is S&P as you can see. Then I go into my ETH and I do my VWAP things. So it's the regular trading hours. I put on standard volume profile. As you can see, oh, I even messed this up slightly. Oh, this is the wrong time frame, that's why. So I get it all from 30-minute time frame, value area high, value area low, and that's thrown out throughout the day. So usually I would do it like this. I'd use a horizontal line. On the day, I'd use a horizontal line and then go into electronic trading hours and then draw it out manually with this trend line, put in the names, and yeah. So that was my idea. First start to value volume profile, sorry. So we opened outside at a bounce. Now my idea was that when we get to value area low, we're either gonna bounce here for a second time or push through to value area high. And you can see all these lows are kind of all higher lows and pushing up into value area low. So my idea when we got there was I'm gonna get long and hold it to value area high. That's a mistake. Okay, let me just delete all of those. Gosh. That is my idea for the day, or for S&P at least. And now let's get into it. So we've got our value area low. Let's change this to value area high. And now you're going to a smaller time frame, electronic trading hours. Turn this off. Now you can see we had this push through, like a strong rejection off that level. As we are approaching the level, all these highs form sort of a trend line. Let me actually use a trend line for this. Sort of a trend line up into value area low. This gave me confidence to take the trade where I did. And also I'll delete all of this stuff. And now we go back into VWAP. So session VWAP. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to turn off the second and third band multipliers because you don't really need that for this example. So this is what you want to see. When you're approaching VWAP like this, not VWAP, sorry. When you're approaching the value areas, you want to see a break and a hold above this area, above this line if you're going for longs. And if you want to short here, you'd wait for it to accept inside, bounce, and then go short there. So I went short here, and we'll go into why I went short there and what I saw on, oh my gosh, come on, Z. So we were inside, all of this time we're inside, VWAP band, inside, touch the top, couldn't even get back to POC. So here's a big reaction of POC. That's also sometimes, not all the time, that's sometimes an indication that if it breaks, it's going to continue going higher. Like the first candle that breaks, let me just do it over here. first candle it breaks and closes above. I've noticed this, not in S&P, but in other markets. You could have a stop below this candle, and you could go long all the way until it either accepts back into VWAP or hits target. I could go long there and then have a stop here. So I could have got long even um, at an even better price for the smaller stop, but I didn't because I have another method of entry, which is CVD. I'll get into CVD. That's market open, so I'm trying to kind of ignore that. The huge bump up in volume when put session opens. So we'll go to where I took the trade. Yes. Oh, I actually took it a bit earlier. It's 2 minutes there. That's where I took it. So as you can see, it's not a huge divergence, but there's a lower low here and a higher low here. And when you're looking for buys, you want to always be looking at the lows on CVD and the lows on price, seeing if there's divergence in that. And if you're looking for sales, you want to look at the highs in CVD and the highs in price and looking for divergence in that. Not all divergences are the same. Um, Obviously, like this one was close together, it's already outside VWAP. So here, when it's outside VWAP, it's giving me indication that it wants to continue going higher. It already spent all this time inside VWAP. It's hitting the level that I marked out, value area low. So if we're going to push up, we're probably not going to come back to this value area low, which over here it comes close to but doesn't get back to. And we're probably going to stay below the candle that makes the CVD. Sorry, stay above the candle that makes the CVD. So the low of this candle was my stop. I put it like one tick below. Let me just delete all this stuff so it's clean again. Delete, delete. Okay, now it's clean again. Nope. We've got our CVD bounce at value area low. That was another confirmation. When I saw that and I saw this huge amount of volume on the delta, that just gave me a clear reading. Obviously, it's a move in my direction, big move in my direction. That's a clear sign that I'm on the right side. But now I have the confidence to hold until target. Actually, my stop was one tick below this low. Yeah, 7.5. That was my stop. That was my target. I got stopped out right as market opened, which is kind of kind of annoying. But yeah, stopped out right as market opened, pushed through my stop, and then just went the other way to value area, which is my target. Yep, this happens. I think this was like a good read on the day. I don't think my stop was too tight. I don't think I took out or I should have held or cut my profits. I think this is according to my plan. I've executed my plan well outside of VWAP, getting back into value area lows. And I think this is just one of those times when, yeah, you're gonna be right, but you're still gonna lose. Or you're gonna follow you're gonna follow your process, but you're still gonna lose. It's just one of those things. And this is why we actually have good risk management for moments like this when you're right and you lose. or when you follow all the rules and you lose. But that's the video for today. Thank you guys. Cheers. Oh. Let me actually show you where, just in case people are saying, hey, you didn't actually take this trade. Let me show you this one. So this is a my funded futures account. Um, these are this is the past week's trading. I haven't been trading well on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. You'll see the days where I take less trades, I'm actually making more. Days I'm taking more trades, I'm losing, but more just because I'm not holding it as long and I'm getting stopped out almost immediately. Let's go into. So this is the trade I was talking about. What is the loss on that one? 130 US. So it's 125 plus commissions or whatever they take. But the target was 1,200. And yeah, that's the video. Cheers, bye.